If your back hurts, your first instinct is to probably stretch it. But what if I told you stretching your back is the reason you continue to have this ongoing pain and you can't get rid of it permanently? Today I'm going to show 3 exercises that I use in the clinic almost every day to help my patients improve their stability, their mobility, and their overall movement quality so they can get past this and live their life pain-free. The third exercise that I'm going to show is one that most people don't do, but this one tends to help improve your function and your mobility throughout the day. Your low back usually works overtime because something else isn't doing its job. That's usually your core or your hips. So let's start helping these muscles do a better job at what they're supposed to do instead of making our back do extra. These exercises are specifically designed to help us do that. Start this exercise by lying on your back. Lift your feet and bend your knees to 90 degrees. You're gonna brace your ab muscles like someone's about to poke you in the belly. Slowly lower one arm and the opposite leg to gently tap the floor. Then return back to the start position, alternate sides. You're gonna do 8 to 10 reps per side. This exercise trains your core to stabilize your spine during the movement of our upper body and our lower body. This is the exact skill your back needs throughout the day during movement. Lie on your back, lift one leg towards your chest, keep the other foot on the floor. Push through your heel and lift your hips. Pause for 2 seconds, then slowly lower back down to the start position. Perform 8 to 12 reps on each side. Weak glutes force your lower back to compensate during walking, lifting, and standing. Strengthening them often reduces stress on your spine, which is going to make you feel better throughout the day. Stand with the broomstick touching the back of your head, upper back, and tailbone. Try keeping those points touching, pushing your hips backwards. Keep your knees a little bit bent. Try to keep your spine in a neutral position, so not too arched and not rounded. You're gonna push your butt back and bend forward, then return back up to standing. You're gonna repeat this 10 to 15 times. This teaches your hips to move instead of forcing your lower back to bend every time you pick something up. Here's a tip for you. Most people think that it's about how long we sit in one single position. Actually, it's more about how long we stay in one position. Oftentimes we think about sitting is bad, but also standing in one position, keeping our spine and our hips in the same position is equally as bad. So set a timer, 30 to 40 minutes, take a break, walk for a minute, do a stretch for a minute. More frequent movement breaks is going to be better than one long exercise stretching session and then staying in 1 or 2 positions for the rest of the day. Just remember, back pain is caused by many different things. These exercises will help someone with mechanical back pain. If you start having weakness in the leg, burning down the back of the leg, numbness and tingling in the groin, or even bowel bladder problems, seek medical help, call your doctor, because that more likely is something more serious. If these exercises helped you, hit the like and subscribe. Drop a comment below about whether you have pain when you stand, sit, or when you're bending over and moving. It might just help someone else also. Bye.
Valley Rehab, Physical Therapy and Return to Work Center.